Hey everyone, welcome to Dancing with Dina. Today I'm going to teach you how to do Looking for Love. I decided to record in my hometown, Struthers, Ohio. First, I'll show you the correct wall, and then I'll show you from the side, and that way you can see my feet much better. So here we go. You're going to start off with your weight on your left, and you're going to walk forward right, left, right, kick left. Then you're going to step back left, right, left, touch right. Let me show it to you from the side, and I'll do it by the count this time. Weight on your left, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Telling those sweet lies. Next section, weight is on your left. You're going to step right to the side, bring the left, take the weight, step back right, bring back left, don't take the weight left, step left, bring the right, take the weight right, step forward left, bring the right forward, touch right. Let's do that by the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next section. Remember that weight was on your left, coming forward in that Roomba box. Now you're going to do a grapevine to the right, a grapevine to the left, turning a quarter to your left. Looks like this. Weight on your left. Step right to the side, left behind, right to the side, touch left. Step left to the side, right behind, step left at a quarter, touch right. Let's do that by the count. Weight is on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This next section is going to be on this wall, so I'll go ahead and show it to you correct, and then I'll show you from the back so you can see my feet. So your weight is on your left. You're going to step right over the left, point left, step left over the right, point right. Then you're going to go behind, step right behind the left, point left, step left behind the right, touch right. End of dance. Let's do that by the count. So remember, this is the correct wall. I'm just showing so you can see my feet. Remember, your weight was on your left. Let's do that by the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whole dance by the counts. Here we go. Weight is on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Time to talk about that tag. Happens at wall 9. It's the third time that you come back to that front wall, so 12 o'clock. You're going to do the first 16 counts of the dance and then a 6 count tag. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like from the side so you can see it. Weight is on your left. You're going to bring that right heel up, down, left heel up, down, right heel, touch. So that count will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you restart by walking forward. Here's what it'll look like. Weight on your left. First 16 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Restart. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thanks for watching. See you next dance.